Hi, this is the team. Our application is a recruiters app, and our team is conformed by Kevin, Gabriel, y Fernando, and me, Hatsiri. Okay, so we're going to start with the login process. And our authentication is through Google account. So here is, and then we can access to our APIs. Sorry. Ahí está. Okay, so here is our Swagger with all our collections, users, jobs, recruiters, and application. And my part is the collections for users. And here we have some routes to get, post, and get input. So here is for just get all the users. And here are all the users that are actually in our MongoDB. But for example, if we want to get a specific user with the name, okay, here in users, we're going to see the names of the people that are here. So let's find it, okay? Okay, so we're going to try this. And here is my information. Okay, but also I work with the data validation. For example, if I want to post a user, okay, and I want to post like this, I'm going to receive a response that the first name must be at least 4 characters long, for example. So we're going to try with Kevin. We're going to create Kevin. Where is your birthday, Kevin? Kevin. When is your, okay, let's
25 October.
25?
25.
Okay. Like this? Yeah?
92.
Oh, sorry. Okay. So, for example, if I want to add at this point, for example, it says must be a valid email. So we need to put a valid email. Oh, sorry. No. Email.com. And then the password. Oh, okay. Let's try do this Mexico. With software and skills. Nothing. Just kidding. Which skill do you want, Kevin? Or do you have?
As a developing code.
Developing? So, execute and okay. So okay, so here is the post route. So this is my part. The other routes works like we see with the first name, getting the first name, and put and delete also work with the first name as a requirement. So next one is jobs, and jobs. It's by, I think it's Fernando.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I work with the jobs collections where I create like 6 endpoints. The first endpoint is to get all the jobs. For example, if you that city, can you click on the get endpoint, the first one. And here we have all the data from the collection of jobs. And if we want to search for a specific job, we can search by the ID or by a position. Delete, put, and out. For example, if you go to the first endpoint and you grab the ID of the first job, and you go to the and you and enter the ID, you will get the data from that job. If you grab that ID also and you want to delete that job, you also will be able to do that. And we can see that the job has been deleted. And because if we go to the first endpoint and again we execute to take out the jobs, we will see that it has been deleted. I have to work with the Swagger documentation for the API and work for this endpoint. And next, I think we have the endpoint for recruiters, I think.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks, Fernando, and also thanks, Yatsiri, for the introduce. Yes, in my case, I did this part of recruiters, and let's see that Get is working correctly. If you can help me, Yatsiri, executing recruiters, and we'll see all the information about this data. If you can select one ID, please.
Last one. It's okay.
Yeah, that's nice. And let's search it. And as we can see, it is working correctly, and we can find that information by ID. And that's it. And also, we work with all necessary for the validation and to see that all is working correctly. And the next is application. The application was done for
Gabriel for me a bit. Thank you everybody. So for the last part of this assignment,
I'm gonna speak about the application part. So we did like a few routes as the only ones. The first one that I try and we're gonna test it out is the get application. So once you execute the get application, basically what you get is all of the information that's coming from MongoDB, and you get a few information such as first name, last name, position, company, etc. So the second route that you will see is the post, and basically what you do here is you make a new application with the same information. Just to see what if we, instead of trying that, we go just to the get application by ID, please. So here, basically, if you get one of the IDs from the previous rows, you copy it and paste it, you will get only the information that is available for that specific ID number and person who is applying for the job. And lastly, if you go to the delete route and portion of this assignment, and you test, just try it out, thank you. Try it out and paste the same ID, it will delete the information from the same application. So that will be the end of the testing for the final assignment. Thank you.
Yes. So just for ending this, this is your MongoDB with our collections and all the changes we made in this video are here. Okay. So thank you for watching our team assignment, and thank you also for being our instructor this semester, and yeah, see you later. Bye bye.